I bought this Roberts R25 a few days ago and just started to clean it up, and noticed that there's this rather exaggerated bump right here in the covering. And on further investigation, once I'd removed the speaker, you can see the MDF here has gone rather soft and lost its structural integrity. If I remove this strip, I'll bring in a little bit closer, you can see it's started to delaminate down here. So whether that's moisture got in there, I can't see any signs of any water getting in there. There's no water stains or anything, so perhaps it was just a bad batch of MDF, or it's just got very damp. The rest of it seems absolutely fine. So what I'm going to try and do is pull this apart a little bit and get a rotary tool down there and try and remove some of this MDF, because I'll never get it back to its true strength, mainly because MDF is formed under intense pressure and I won't be able to squeeze it all back together. Even if I squeeze as tight as I can, it's still got a hump there, so I need to remove some wood pulp here. You can probably see it better there. Need to remove some wood pulp and try and get it a little bit flatter. Right, so what I've done is put a little bit of masking tape here, electrical tape, just to stop the rotary tool from marking the aluminium grill here. I've got a selection of burrs and things here, and I'm just going to go in and start removing some of this MDF very carefully. You can see it's like so, and I'm going to keep on doing that until it's flat, and then we can use some wood glue to glue it all back together and clamp it down so it's flat. Right, that's the repair done. I've glued it up and clamped it. MDF dust gets absolutely everywhere, by the way. I was a bit stupid and forgot about that, and it's now covering every surface in my workshop because I blew it out using human puff. We'll come back in a few hours and see how the repair has gone. Right, it's time to take the clamps off and see how this repair's worked out. Clamps, it's really a voice. Right, fingers crossed. Yep, nice and flat all the way down there. In fact, it's actually a little bit flatter than this bit, but that's much better than it was where it had this bulge out there. So let's remove the masking tape. There we go, and we can dig all this PVA out. So when that goes back, that's much better, whereas it's all in line with it now. It's got to dig a bit of PVA out at that end. But fixed.